Remember that we have a song when we add integers. Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Keep the sign of the bigger number, then you'll be exact. In the past, you would add 5 plus 3, and you knew the answer was 8, and you still know that. But let's look at it in terms of positive and negative integers and see how it looks then. Both 5 and 3 are positive in this case. Remember the song? Same signs add and keep. Since they're both positive, they have like signs. They're the same. They are alike. So we add them and keep that like sign. So we add the numbers and then keep it the positive that they are. Now let's look at -5 plus -3. They have like signs. The signs are the same. Both negative. Cue the song. Same signs add and keep. Therefore, we just add the numbers and keep that sign negative for an answer of -8. -5 plus -3 equals -8. Adding two positives made a bigger positive. Adding two negatives made a bigger negative. Okay, it's time for a change-up. How about -5 plus 3? When there's no sign, you know that 3 is positive. Here we have different signs. One's negative, one's positive. Cue the song. Different signs subtract. Keep the sign of the bigger number. So we're going to subtract the numbers, 5 minus 3, and then we're going to keep the sign of the bigger number. 5 is a bigger number than 3, so we keep the negative. So -5 plus +3 is equal to -2. Let's look at one final example where the signs are different again. What about +5 plus -3? The signs are different. One's negative, one's positive. Cue the song. Different signs subtract. Keep the sign of the bigger number. The song is telling us that if we have different signs, we need to subtract. So 5 minus 3 is 2, and we keep the sign of the bigger number. 5 is still the bigger number, but this time it's positive, so the answer is +2. 5 plus -3 is equal to +2. Let's review. Pause to study a slide if you need to. These are the problems we did that had the same signs, both positive or both negative. And in that case, we always kept the sign and we just added the numbers. And these are the ones that have different signs. And so we subtracted the numbers and we got 2 both times. And we kept the sign of the bigger number. 5 was always the bigger number, but in the first problem it was negative, so we had a negative answer. In the second problem, it was positive, so we had a positive answer. Cue the finale of that song. Then you'll be exact.